about to tell my cousins, I got to talk to y'all. I got to talk to y'all right now. Back up. You know what I'm saying? Back up. Oops, snatch, back up. Yo, is that wrong? Would that be ignorant? Honey, it's thick. I ain't, hey, look at that. Y'all see it? Okay. Looking like hair right there, but see, if you lift it up, you see that? That's lace. Oh, ooh. Hey, y'all, hey. A phenomenon happened, y'all. A phenomenon. I still have on the same wig that I had on about 4 days ago. 4 days. It's still on my head. Y'all, I love this wig. I had to come back. This is not a schedule. I need y'all to know something. I'm professional. I have a schedule, concerning my filmings and my business. You understand? Hold on, let me make sure this video is off schedule. I just had to come and tell y'all, cause this I'm a break. Cause you know when you wear it a few days, this is not glue. What we use, the milk spray, it's not gonna hold you down like a good relationship. It's gonna hold you down like a jump off. Is that? Cause you know it ain't gonna be no long time. Ain't that what ain't that? When you think milk spray, think good time, not long time, huh? Some of y'all understood it just that clear when I said that. That's why I do this, so y'all can visualize. Now, when you get in the glues and stuff, that's when you get that long time hold, honey. You got to get that thing off by the blessings of God, okay? But I don't wear wigs that long to even need to try glue. Y'all know I'm trying to keep the little bit of hip hop I got left up about the hairline. I already have fine hair. I'm trying to keep my little edges as long as I can, and I'm scared of it. So I'll just have my long time in real life with my husband, okay? The quick bop is gonna be in my milk spray. How about that? I'm finna just retack. Y'all, I love this wig. What I'm gonna do is get it in order, because last time y'all saw it, it was the side part, right? I've done wore a middle part and everything. Now, when I do take it off, I am gonna use the Perfect Line Swiss on that part. Y'all, that's gonna make it, y'all already know what time it is with Perfect Line Swiss. I'm gonna show you what you do. When it's been a few days, you can start to peel it up a little bit because you're using that spray, that milk spray, right? I'm gonna show you what I do. If I'm not doing anything, but like I'm not on vacation or anything, so I like to spot melt, and it's just what it sounds like. You melt in certain places, okay? In certain spaces, but not the whole. You see what I'm saying? Because I use my own ear tabs anyway, so I don't have lace coming all the way down here. I don't do that. Here we go. Right here, this is just looking like hair right there, but see, if you lift it up, you see that? That's lace. And you see, I have it where it's like laying right on my hairline. So I like to just leave that be, okay? If I put anything there, it'll be a milk spray. I definitely will not put glue on my actual hair. I don't suggest anybody do that. Okay, bam. You see that? That's lace. Lay it down. It don't even matter, because ain't nobody finna be up here lifting up this hair anyway. So back up. You know what I'm saying? Back up. Oops, snatch, back up. So the only thing that I'm focused on is from about right here to right there. All right? And I'm going to just show you what I do. And I'm also going to do something else too. I'm going to try some. Y'all remember when I showed you these lip stain liners that you peel off? I'm starting to think about this. What if I use it over my whole lip? Yo, is that wrong? Would that be ignorant? Now, I used plumped, which is like a violet plump. It's plumped. Get it? But they have a red too that I'm just real intrigued by. And I was like, what if I did a real ignorant bold red lip with it? But we gonna try it. It's either gonna work or not. Either way, y'all gonna know, because it's a stain, so it's gonna be on there. Ooh, I guess I gotta be very careful. But tell your mom and them, I said, hey, let me just show you what I do to tack it back down after it's been a few days. It's starting to flap right there, so you need to go ahead and tack it back down. It's really very easy. This is what it's looking like after this. I have little pins in there to keep it up. Okay, I have not pressed it or anything after the first time, but I have had it in a ponytail, so that's why it has the little waves and indent. Because remember, this is body wave. Y'all know I really don't care for straight hair, so I have to have something going on. It's got to be a kinky straight or a body wave. It's got to have some action going on, y'all. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like, or it's got to be real thick. You see this? This is so thick, y'all. They were not lying about their density. It is good and full, okay? This is probably about 220. You know, they say 250. I give it to them because, honey, it's thick. I ain't, hey, look at that. Y'all see it? Okay. So I'm going to run through it with the hot brush that I love so much, because I could take big ignorant sections and just brush it and get it, and it's still gonna be good and full and voluminous. Okay, y'all, let me just do what I'm gonna do. Honey, when I still had it on, I said I'm about to tell my cousins I got to talk to y'all. I got to talk to y'all right now. I got to give y'all slaves for days. So I usually keep it, but I said, honey, I'm keeping this on, child. I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit. I like this wig, and I'm getting other lengths. So what? I love this. So let me show you what I do to kind of get back intact, and we gonna test out to see if I can put that lip liner stain on my whole full lip. Y'all just pray for me, but we gonna see. Hold a minute. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Y'all thought I forgot. Hold a minute.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You are all I need now. You're all I need. It's crazy, but it's true. Oh yeah. You're all I need. You're all I need. You're all I need now. Oh, it's crazy, but it's true. Oh, you're all I need. Hey, hey. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise.